icon when you subscribe so you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube.
Hey guys! We're here at the Tastemade studio.
And we're doing Facebook Live!
Yeah, with this cool new camera called the Nevo.
So first step with the sushi, I want to take you down here. I've got some prepared soba noodles. Now they've been drained and cooled. I'm going to add in a little bit of rice wine vinegar.
So the noodles, 2 ways.
Yum! There you go, folks. Oh, we get a chance to make this at home.
Hey guys, Ryan here at Rode Microphones, and this is the VideoMic Me. It's the latest addition to our VideoMic range of microphones, and it's designed to help you get better audio in the videos that you shoot every single day on your smartphone. Now the VideoMic Me is a directional microphone that's designed to help you get better audio directly with any video shot on your iOS or Android device. It's a directional microphone, and it actually cancels out sound that comes in from the rear of the microphone and only picks up the sound in the direction that you want to record. So whether you're mounting the phone and recording directly in front of you and cancelling out any sounds from behind you, or whether you're mounting it in selfie mode and wanting to cancel out any of the sounds in front of you like crowd noise or traffic noise, the VideoMic Me is a perfect mic to get rid of those sounds that you don't like. Now on the back of the mic is a headset output jack so that you can actually listen to the audio as you record it and make sure that you're getting exactly what you want. Now often what happens when you're recording outdoors in a windy environment, you'll often hear the wind reacting with the microphone, making it really rumbly and very hard to hear. So to combat that, we're actually supplying it with a windsock which goes straight onto the end of the microphone, and it means that you can record even in very windy environments outside and get totally clean audio. The VideoMic Me is designed to fit a wide range of different devices, including both iOS and Android devices, as long as the headset input on the device is on the opposite side to the actual camera itself, purely so that you don't see the microphone when you're filming straight ahead. Now it comes with a little adjustment on the back so that it can be mounted on a wide range of different devices, regardless of whether you have a case on or not. That mount can be simply adjusted by just twisting it off and then squeezing it on against the body of the device itself to get it to the perfect thickness and keep it there nice and secure. So there you have it guys, that's the VideoMic Me. I think it's time to all get much better audio with the videos that we're shooting every single day.
Remember the last time you needed to send a message or tell someone where you were, but for some reason you couldn't? That's because there were probably too many people around you. Or you were too far from a tower. Or maybe the network was down. And you probably saw this, or one of these. That's all about to change with Gotenna. Gotenna pairs wirelessly with your smartphone, making it possible to text and share your location with anyone else who also has one, even when you don't have service. No need for cell towers, Wi-Fi, or satellites. With Gotenna, you can communicate no matter what. Find friends even when the rest of the crowd is struggling to get their message through. Gotenna's great for travel because it works anywhere in the world. Explore and roam for free. And if there's an emergency, you can send a message to all Gotennas within range. Because here's the thing, cell phones are great, but there's a lot of situations when they're just not that reliable. It's time to start your own network and make no service, no problem. Gotenna.
Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. Learn more at Rachio.com.
The LiveScribe 3 Smart Pen turns your words into action. Your handwritten notes instantly appear on your tablet or smartphone. Once on your device, it's easy to convert your handwriting into text and send it to your friends or colleagues. Your tablet or smartphone can record audio as you write to capture the things you don't.
Hi, this is Mr. Green. I'm calling to confirm my reservation on April 18th.
Certainly, I have you down for 2 people at 7:30 p.m.
And your address is 252 California Street in San Francisco, correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Excellent. We're looking forward to it. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Your notes become more useful when they appear in your favorite apps. Simply tap your notes to play back audio from that moment in time.
252 California Street in San Francisco, correct?
With the LiveScribe 3 Smart Pen, turn your words into action.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,